In this video, I will show you how you can lock your iPad screen so it does not move. Now, there are two methods to do so. The first method is if you want to lock the screen of your iPad from rotating. For example, if you rotate the screen of your iPad and if it starts moving, if you want to lock the orientation of your iPad, just open the control center of your iPad, then tap on this lock icon over here. After you tap on this lock icon, as you can see, it will say orientation lock is turned on. After you enable orientation lock, you will lock the orientation of your iPad and it will not rotate automatically, just like that. Now this was the first method. The second method is if you want to lock the screen of your iPad as you want to open an app and you want to disable the touch on that app. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open settings. And under settings, just tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility settings, just tap on guided access. And from here, just enable the toggle for guided access. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open any app in which you want to disable the touch. For an example, I will go to YouTube. As you can see, the touch is currently working. Now to disable the touch, just press the power button 3 times. And from here, just tap on session settings at the bottom of the page. Now from here, just disable all these features. After you disable all these features, then tap on start at the upper right corner on the screen. Now just create a pin for your guided access, and after that, just enter the pin one more time to confirm the pin. After you do that, you will lock the screen of your iPad and you will disable the touch of your iPad, just like that. And if you want to disable this feature, just press the power button 3 times, then enter the pin which we have created. Now after you do that, then just select end. As you can see, the touch is working again. And this is how you can lock the screen of your iPad so it does not move. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.